Here's how easy it is to organize your home renovation project using Friyay. Step 1. Create a board for your home renovation project. So on Friyay, work is organized in boards. A board can be used to organize many different things like knowledge, notes, projects, and more. Here we are on your workspace home. So this shows you all of the boards in your workspace. For whatever you need to get organized, just create a board. So let's create a board for our home renovation project. Step 2. Use tools to build out your board. So now you need to add a tool to your board that best fits what you want to organize. So boards have many tools to organize just about anything. There are tools for tasks, documentation, projects, and more. Just pick a tool to make your board whatever you want it to be. So there's many ways we could set this up. So first, you may start with some ideas. You can add the Canvas tool to start visualizing your future home. This customizable canvas lets you add blocks for images, text, files, and more. You can pin multiple tools to your board to support your process. Pin the Taskboards tool to quickly start breaking down many different task lists. You can use the Knowledge Base tool to start collecting some research. Add the Timeline or Calendar tool to start planning your timeline. Or add the Action Plan tool if you want to break down work with customizable columns. Step 3. Add subboards to organize further. As your project grows, you may need to break things down a bit more, and that's where subboards come in. So subboards let you create levels of organization, just like file folders. Adding a new subboard is as easy as adding a tab. Then just like a board, pick and pin the tools you need. For example, I've added a subboard to help me compare contractors. I've pinned the Sheet tool so I can create a table with customizable columns. And the Notes tool so I can collect some tips for working with contractors. When my project's ready to move forward a bit more, I'm also using subboards to break down the different stages of my project. And here's a pro tip. Add these tools to your main board to help you track all of your projects. Add the dashboard for a quick visual of how well things are going. Use project results to see if tasks planned for the week were completed. And project plan for a more detailed look. And that's how easy it is to organize a home renovation project using Friyay. Try it out for yourself at friyay.io.